If you're learning programming from YouTube, you've probably faced this problem. There are hundreds of Python tutorials, JavaScript crash courses, and coding playlists, and somehow you still end up wondering which one is actually worth your time. What if you could get the gist of a tutorial before investing hours watching it? Instead of opening each video and scrubbing through the timeline, I use YTNotes to generate structured notes directly from the video. Within seconds, I can see the concepts being covered, the learning flow, and the overall depth of the tutorial. This makes it much easier to compare videos and decide which one is worth spending time on. Rather than choosing based on views or thumbnails, I can choose based on the actual content. Let's say I'm taking this JavaScript course. Normally, I'd be pausing constantly, switching between the video and my note-taking app, and trying to copy important code examples. With YTNotes, I can generate structured notes from the entire lesson in one click. Notice how it captures the important concepts, explanations, and even code syntax discussed throughout the tutorial. Now, instead of manually typing everything, I can focus on understanding the lesson. And because the notes are editable, I can add my own observations, examples, and reminders as I learn. When I'm done, I can export everything as a PDF and keep it as a study resource for future revision. This is especially useful when you're working through long coding courses that you may want to revisit later. Here's an MIT lecture on programming using Python. A lot of the valuable information is presented through slides, diagrams, and visual explanations. With YTNotes, I can capture important slides directly from the video and save them alongside my notes. This means I don't just have the written explanation. I also keep the visual context that helps the concept make sense. For technical subjects, seeing the diagram, chart, or slide can often be just as important as reading the notes. Curious to try it yourself? Try YTNotes for free now.